In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Amex points to Virgin Atlantic. Whether you're planning a big trip across the pond or just looking to maximize your points for a rewarding experience with Virgin Atlantic Airways, this tutorial will guide you through the straightforward process of transferring your membership rewards points. To begin, you'll want to navigate to americanexpress.com. Once you've reached the homepage, hover your cursor over the Rewards and Benefits tab. This is your gateway to the valuable world of your Amex membership points. Give that tab a click to explore the extensive suite of options Amex offers to its cardholders. From there, locate and select the Membership Rewards program. This is where all the magic happens. This section will provide you with all the necessary information and options for utilizing your points most effectively. Next, you'll need to click on Rewards and Benefits once again, focusing this time on the Pay with Points feature. This link is crucial because it outlines the various ways you can utilize your accrued points. Now we click on Earn and Redeem. This section gives comprehensive information about earning and redeeming points. Once you've familiarized yourself with it, move on to the Transfer Points option. This is the step that opens up the avenue for transferring your membership rewards points to travel partners like Virgin Atlantic's Flying Club. As you continue, look for Virgin Atlantic Flying Club on the list of available transfer partners. Click on Virgin Atlantic Flying Club, and then, to ensure you understand all the implications and benefits, select Show Details to view the pertinent terms and conditions. It's imperative to read these terms and conditions thoroughly. They'll provide critical information, including how many Amex points equate to Flying Club miles and any applicable fees or limitations. Understanding these conditions can help you make the most of your transfer. Once you're clear on the details, log into your Amex account. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to provide your login credentials to access your membership rewards balance and start the transfer. Finally, when you're all set up and have confirmed your points balance in your Amex account, it's time to transfer your points. This process enables you to redeem them for exciting Virgin Atlantic flights. Whether you have a short haul or a long journey in mind, transferring these points can bring your travel plans to life. By the end of this procedure, you should have successfully transferred your Amex points to Virgin Atlantic, giving you access to incredible travel experiences. Let those transferred points take you places, and enjoy your journey with Virgin Atlantic. Safe travels!